It's Tuesday the 14th of February and we are on the Ftse 100. So let's have a look at this market for the trading day ahead. Okay, so first thing is let's tie it into the Sunday analysis video. What we went over in that video were these levels right here from the 18th of January. I said if this market opened above here on Monday and was holding above these levels, it was very likely we would see a bullish bounce in the Ftse. Yesterday we rallied up into the 7,300 area. So that's exactly what we've seen. Now that we have done that, well, really the key resistance is coming up into these previous swing highs. This is actually the all-time highs on the Ftse 100. So the highest price that this market has traded is up here on the 15th of January. Let's drop down to the 4 hour to look at this. Okay, so today, initially I want to watch at this zone right here. So the 7260 area. Scroll back. So the area where we were looking for price action to pop above. Before I said we could expect to see a bullish bounce up. Now will be an area I am looking at as support. So this morning I'll be watching at this zone for bullish price action for the potential to get into buy positions. Now if this level does start to hold early morning rather than break, then it is also a little suggestion, a little clue that potentially we're still going to see a stronger move up into this whole section of price action up here, which is those all-time highs on the Ftse 100. Let me show you on the 5-minute time frame the zones. So we are still relatively early. It's only 10 past 6 in the morning. Ftse 100 opens at 8. However, I'll be watching this zone this morning for potential bullish bounces, even if we don't see a very strong rally. It's a good area to watch for trend continuation traders stepping in, buying up this market. Apart from that, I will just be looking at the trading zones. I'm fairly neutral now that we have seen that initial rally up. We produced a doji candle on the daily time frame, which is a candle of indecision. And I would like to see a little bit more evidence from the price action before deciding on the next likely move in this market now. So I am just looking at the trading zones, trading fairly neutral, with the first area I will be watching this morning at these levels, really 7270 and lower, to see if we see the bullish price action coming into this market. Okay, so as always, I will come back at 4:30 when the Ftse closes. I'll take you through the price action for the day, what it suggests for the market moving forward, and zone traders, I will take you through any potential setups for the day. We're almost at 25 past 4, so coming up for the close of the Ftse 100. So let's have a look at this market from today. The first thing to say is Pro Real Time has had an update. So if the charts look slightly different, that is the reasoning for that. Okay, so this morning in the video I went over how this section of price action right here was where I was interested in early morning. If the Ftse 100 pulled back into these levels and did not break through, I would be looking for bullish price action to get into a long position. Now, first thing this morning, the Ftse came down into these levels. It did not break through, and so that is where I took the long position from, and that will be posted as always as the live trade in a separate video. Now, with the market coming down into these levels, what I'm meaning is if we have a support and resistance level, the market is trading above this level. If it falls down into the support and resistance level, we are looking at that level as potential support. If the market begins to break through the level, we are then waiting for price action to return. Where the support level has been broken, it would now become potential resistance. With the market trading above the level, I was looking for it to come down use the level as potential support for those long positions. Now if we go into the 5-minute time frame, what we can see, market came straight down this morning, very, very strongly. My long position was after the 8:30 a.m. pin bar, with an exit being just up here, just before the next zone of resistance. As the market popped up, I exited the trade for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now, zone traders, as the market broke up here, we're seeing relatively choppy price action with the market breaking back down below support, breaking back above, bouncing around. There was no real clear entries into this market up here. It was really this one was the best trade for the long position. And what we can see is after the Ftse came up here, it still has not made any real headway before breaking back down once again into the close of the market. So I'm really looking at this market moving forward now. I'm really watching this zone still. So this level of support, if this continues to hold, then I am still expecting the Ftse to pop up and test the key levels of resistance up toward previous highs, which as mentioned are the all-time highs. Okay guys, that's everything for this week. As always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you all have a great trading week. I'm James R, and thank you.